Hello everybody, hi YouTube, welcome to my channel. My name is Chris and I'm going to be providing to you guys high quality automotive reviews of vehicles of all kinds that fit my interests and hopefully your interests as well. So hopefully you guys enjoy my style, and if you guys have any suggestions, comments, please leave them below. Whatever you guys think I should be doing differently or different vehicle ideas for reviews, I definitely appreciate the feedback. And I want to make this something that you guys are interested in watching, as well as have fun with producing the videos myself. We'll be doing some fun trivia stuff, and I'm going to bring a unique spin to the automotive review segment or area on YouTube, which I don't think many other people do things the way I'm going to be doing them. So I really hope you guys enjoy this channel and enjoy what I'll be providing to you. If you have any suggestions, once again, please leave them in the comments below. Like the video, please subscribe to my channel. That way I can continue to provide you guys with high quality content and great videos. So in this first video, you guys will be seeing my personal Toyota Tacoma pickup truck. It's a third generation 2016 SR5 double cab 4x4 3.5 liter V6 motor. In this video, I want to highlight things about my truck that stand out to me and that I believe will stand out to you guys and other people on the channels. Before I do that though, I want to ask you the very first trivia question on this channel. What did Toyota call their smaller compact pickup trucks before the Tacoma was introduced in 1995? Is it A, TRD, B, Land Cruiser, C, Toyota Pickup, or D, T100? I'll be going over the answer with you guys at the end of the video, so enjoy the review, enjoy the history. Please stick around till the end of the video and we can review the first ever trivia question answer together. Thanks guys.